want to let you guys know that we're in D flat tuning, which means the whole guitar is tuned a half step down to E flat tuning, and then put into drop D tuning. So I'm going to take my index finger and I'm going to cover it over the 2nd fret of the D, G, and B, and then I'm going to pick the open A string down the line. So I go do, 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 do. Check it out. Next, same index finger is now covered on the 3rd fret of the top 3 strings right here. And I'm going to do almost the same thing, but it goes... It doesn't make it back to the 6th string. So check it out, it's like this. Right to the open 6th string. So it sounds like this. Next part, there's a little pause, there's a rest, it's bum, rest, into the open 4 and 3 strings like this. So it's like the A string, A, D, A, D, A. So A, D, A, D, A. So the whole thing together. One more time, really slow, and then we're going on to the next bit. Now we got to get that. So the second part of the riff starts the same way. So it does that basically the same way. Yeah. Okay, so using the right fingers for this next part is important. We're going to take our middle finger and we're going to slide from the 2nd fret.
Hello, by the way.
2nd fret slid to the 4th fret. So on one pick we slide it. And then we pick it again. Then we're going to hit the open A string actually, while this is still ringing out though. Then it goes back to the D string again. Then index finger, that's why we're using our middle finger right here, index finger goes to the 3rd fret of the A string. So you can go. So check it out. So that, when that's there, it hits that string by itself one time, then the A and D string together. So check it out. And there's a little open thing. Really, this G string is what I'm hearing the most, but it's kind of the D and the G. And you know, he's kind of got a grungy style of playing, I guess, a bit. So it'd be right into it again.